In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to install GCam on OnePlus 15R. In order to check that, we can just simply open the Play Store. We're gonna go to search over here, and we can use the GCam app, which is an app that is used in order to check if there is a compatible version of the GCam for our smartphone. So once we open the app, we can see if the GCam is available for the smartphone, for our OnePlus 15R. In my case, right now it is not available, so I'm gonna request the GCam and hopefully it's gonna be added in the future. Maybe if you are already watching this video in the future, then it might already be available in here. And if not, then we can go ahead and tap on a GCam in here and we can search for OnePlus. So we're gonna try to find the GCam for another OnePlus model in order to try to find a other hopefully compatible version. So let's see if we can find something. The list is quite long and we are looking for the newest version possible. So in here I have 9.3 version available. So maybe I'll get this one. I'm gonna check a couple of more in order to make sure that we can find a newer version. But it seems that 9.3 is the newest one. Maybe you can actually find a newer one. So if you want to, you can go through this list and search for something. And we're gonna download this one. Let's tap on start download. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime, but we will be redirected to a website from where we can download the GCam. And since we are downloading the GCam for another OnePlus smartphone, not 15R specifically, this one is for 13S actually, it means that there is a chance that the app will not work at all. Maybe it's gonna work, but maybe some features will not work. Maybe it's gonna keep crashing. So, you know, there is the risk that the app is not compatible to some degree. Or maybe it's gonna work just fine. If you see that the unsafe app was blocked, then of course we can tap on more details and install anyway, if you of course decide to install the app. I'm not really forcing you to do so, so keep that in mind that if you decide to do that, then of course it's your choice. So let's see if it's gonna work. So we have the photo mode first. The camera preview works just fine. We can take a photo as well. Let's see if we can zoom in. And it seems that the answer is yes. We can zoom out and zoom in. So it should work just fine. Let's see the front camera. And it works as well. Okay, good. And let's also check, let's say, the portrait mode in here to see if that's gonna work. And yes, it works as well. Quite fine. All right. So photo mode, generally speaking, seems to be working just fine. And let's switch to the video mode and let's see if that's gonna work. So the preview works. Start recording. Let's use the shutter button. All right. So it seems that it actually works pretty well. We can of course also use the slow motion mode and so on and so forth. Here in the upper right corner we can change the resolution if you want to. And it seems that 4K works as well. So far no issues at all with this GCam version. So if you want to give it a try, then of course feel free to do so. You know which one I selected from the app, so you can give it a try. And yeah, so hopefully everything works fine. There's still, of course, a chance that something might not work. Here we have a photosphere, which seems to be not working. So yeah, at least we found one thing that is not working in here. But still, many different options are actually working correctly. So if you want to, you can give it a try, as I mentioned. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.